Opening scene. Welcome to our culinary guide. Today, we're delving into the art of cooking hareesa, a traditional Saudi Arabian dish known for its rich texture and flavor. Scene 1. Introduction to hareesa. Hareesa, a beloved dish in Saudi cuisine, is known for its comforting blend of wheat, meat, and aromatic spices. It's a staple in many Saudi households, especially during special occasions. Scene 2. Ingredients for this recipe. You'll need whole wheat soaked overnight, boneless chicken or lamb, onions, garlic, butter, and a blend of spices, including cinnamon, cardamom, and black pepper. Scene 3. Preparing the wheat. Drain the soaked wheat and add it to a large pot. Cover it with water and bring to a boil. Simmer until the wheat is tender and starts to break down, which may take a few hours. Scene 4. Cooking the meat in a separate pan. Cook the meat with chopped onions, garlic, and spices until it's fully cooked and tender. This will infuse the meat with rich flavors. Scene 5. Combining ingredients. Once the wheat is ready, add the cooked meat to the pot. Continue to cook on low heat, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. The mixture should start to thicken and blend together. Scene 6. Final touches. After several hours, when the hareesa has reached a smooth, porridge-like consistency, add a generous amount of butter for richness. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. Scene 7. Serving. Hareesa is traditionally served hot. Garnish with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a dollop of butter on top. It's often accompanied by flatbread or enjoy on its own. Scene 8. Tips and variations. Remember, patience is key when cooking hareesa. You can also add your own twist with different meats or additional spices. Experiment to find your perfect version. Closing scene. Congratulations on making your own Saudi Arabian hareesa. Enjoy this hearty and comforting dish with your loved ones. End credits. Thank you for watching. For more authentic recipes and cooking tips, subscribe to our channel.